Please stop. Don't go, please. If you are a really human being, you must help me and feeling for me and feeling for my children. Do you have feeling? Please, I need your support. I need your help. My family dying here. My family and brothers suffering here from hunger and cold and siege. Please, my friend, do everything you can to help my children and brothers. Please, don't leave me alone. Please don't leave my brother and family alone. Please share this video as much as you can, and if you can donate the link in the bio. Please.